Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious, healthy, nutritious salmon and vegetable recipe using oven method. This recipe is so comforting, satisfying, healthy, and another thing I love about this recipe is that it serves different purposes. Yes, you can enjoy it with so many different things. It could be your rice, your yam, potato, plantain, whichever thing you choose to. It goes just perfect. And you can choose to eat it plain, like without pairing it with anything. It's still perfect. Now, let's jump right into the video. I'll start by introducing the ingredients to you, some of the ingredients to you. Here is our broccoli, all washed and cut up. Next is our oil. Yes, you can use your olive oil, your vegetable oil, whichever one you have. Next is our bell peppers. We have the red, the yellow, and the green. Just go ahead, wash them, and cut them into desired sizes, okay? Moving on, guys. Next is our celery. Yes, all cut up, washed and cut up, guys. Make sure you wash your vegetables before cutting, okay? Here we have our onions, diced already. The next ingredient is our carrots. Yes, all sliced. Scrape your carrot, wash it, and cut into desired sizes. Now, moving on, guys. The last but not the least, these are some of the ingredients, not all, okay? Here is our protein, salmon fish. We'll go ahead and take the back like this back off. Yes, we want it smooth. Now, let's move on to the next stage. Get your chopping board and place the salmon fish on them. So, like I said earlier, we're going to take out this rough back. Yes, you can still choose to leave it. Yeah, you can choose not to remove it. It's edible. Yeah, but I choose to remove it because I want everything smooth. All right, so you do the same with the rest. This is the last one. Are done. So the next thing is to cut them up into bite sizes. Please make sure you wash your protein very well. I did before cutting, okay? All right, guys, at this point, we're done cutting the fish. Now, we'll set it aside and move on to the next stage. Get a baking pan. Now, let's get our ingredients right into it. First, we go in with our salmon fish. So we'll layer them, yes. Next ingredient to go in is the onions, our diced onions. Next is the celeries, yeah. Followed by the bell peppers. Hi, to you that's meeting my video for the first time. My name is Ijoma. Here I share easy, delicious cooking recipes, so do well to subscribe, okay? Thank you. Guys, feel free to take out any vegetable you do not like here or feel free to add, okay? Just use your favorite veggies, your favorite protein. Now, we're going in with broccoli. This is looking good already. We are not done, but guys, the entire the colors, guys. Next is our carrots. So you go ahead and pour it in. Afterwards, you adjust it with your spatula. Make sure that everything fits in. Now we've added our protein, all the veggies. It is time to season, okay? Now go in with some salt. Next is your seasoning. And because we'll be using soy sauce, it will come later. Please do not add too much seasoning. Do not add too much salt, okay? And more concentration on the protein, yeah, because we want it to come out tasty. All right. Next ingredient is our mixed herbs. Go on and add it. A teaspoon is fine, okay? Now, moving on to the next ingredient. This is a teaspoon of ginger powder. Next is a teaspoon of garlic powder. The next ingredient is a teaspoon of curry powder. We want it to come out flavorful as well. Okay, so these spices will help enhance the flavor. Now we are going in with our pepper, our red chili pepper. If you want it more spicy, increase your peppers, okay? Now go in with your olive oil or your vegetable oil. Drizzle that in and give it a quick mix. Gently stir it so you don't mess up things, okay? The colors are giving, guys. It's looking appealing to the eyes, even though we've not cooked it. It has not gone through any heating. But guys, it looks good. Lastly, guys, go in with your dark soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of it. Yeah. You can as well add paprika powder, guys. I don't have it at home. You can add that too. Now pop it into your oven and allow it to bake for just 3 to 4 minutes. This is after 3 minutes, guys. We are checking. Go ahead and stir. Now you're going to combine them together, okay? Combine them together, guys, just like you're watching on the screen. It is looking good. Let me seize this opportunity to welcome all my newest subscribers. Guys, welcome on board. And to my returning subscribers, guys, welcome back again. I sincerely want to appreciate each and every one of you for coming back to watch my video. Thank you, guys. I love you all. Please keep it up, okay? Well combined, guys. Let's test for salt. I adjusted with a little amount of salt, and now we're going to pop it back into the oven just for extra 1 minute. Yes, remember it's veggies. You don't need to overcook them. All right, this is after 1 minute, guys, and there you have it. A tasty, delicious, healthy, nutritious salmon and vegetables recipe is set, guys. It is super ready. Look at that, guys. Please give it a go. You're going to like it. In fact, you're going to love it. All right, guys, moving on to the next stage. It is time to plate our dish. Please don't go nowhere. Plate it with me, okay? Wow. I see the hot. Do you love eating hot food or cold food? Let me know, guys. Let me know in the comment section. How do you like enjoying your meal? Is it warm, hot, or cold? Yes, let me know in the comment section. Guys, this is looking good. Nice, lovely. Now, like I said earlier, you can pair it with different kinds of things. Yes, and I choose to pair it with some white rice. Guys, look at that. Guys, this is a must try. This is a must try. Please give it a go. You will love it. You can enjoy it just like that without pairing it with anything, or you can choose to pair with something. It just serves different purposes, right? So guys, we're done plating our dish, and look at how lovely it is looking. Nice. Tell me you're not salivating where you are right now. Just tell me. So another question again. Let me know in the comment section, how do you want it? Do you love to pair with something, or you just love to just eat it just this way? Let me know also in the comments. All right, guys, it is time to test. Because tell me, why would you cook and then you don't test it? You know, we'll balance now. So guys, we're going to test this meal, right? Together. So grab your spoon. Lovely. You're delicious, guys. Give it a go and thank me later. Yes. So here is the one with rice. Let's test it. Guys, I don't even know which one to choose. Both is just super good, delicious, guys. I enjoyed both. Yes. This is good. Please help me share this recipe to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out. And if you found it interesting, do not forget to like it, share, comment, and subscribe as well. Until next time, guys, keep cooking, keep smiling. Bye.